Wi-Fi, man. Come on.
Yeah, I'm S-list. Period. This is some VIP car service.
I'm supposed to be getting ready and having fun, but alcohol is stressing me out.
Hey vlog, I've been a terrible vlogger. No, I'm not. I've been so good. Who the fuck is this? Why they got a fucking mugshot? That's a mugshot. That's straight up a mugshot. Oh wow, that was a passport. Kind of ate with that. I'm not gonna lie. It was a little bit interesting, but oh, I want a dog as a billboard. Gotta send that to somebody I know. They be sending me memes like this. Anyways, currently driving to Coachella, 30 minutes out. This drive has been enjoyable, aside from the fact that I had a fucking tummy ache and I felt like I was gonna explode or die. But we're back. We're back. I ate some cheese and some apples. We'll go on a Coachella! I look like this and I'm showing up at 10 o'clock and there's the after parties that end at 11 and there's another one, but I don't know. Do I go tonight or do I just have myself a good day tomorrow? Which one is it?
Oh, we're at the YSL party right now. Look at this.
They got a car set up. It's drive-through. I know you can't hear me, but it's a drive-through.
Oh my god, wait, girl, look what I just ran into. I don't know. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm fucking screaming. I've always wanted to see him.
Oh my god.
This is better than I could have ever expected. 6th grade me, I'm screaming, but 6th grade me is screaming. I think I'm actually screaming more. When the sky comes falling, when the sun don't shine.
Oh girl, what is this? They're giving away makeup.
What up, YouTube? Today we're at the YSL event and we're gonna order from the drive-thru menu. Let's go. I'm gonna do this one. Okay, thank you so much. Yay! We got our YSL Happy Meal. Girl. You know how expensive this is?
Spray perfume. We're gonna try this tomorrow, guys. We're gonna be stinky in the desert, but YSL is gonna save us. Thanks. What up, YouTube? We just got to the house. Okay, she's getting all cozy in her alchemy. Okay, we got Gamer up in here. Okay, I'm gonna show you the room. Wow, look at this. This is gorgeous. Oh wow. The bathroom. This is where I'll be showering tonight. This is where I'll be getting naked. Hello, good morning. It is currently Coachella day 1. It's the Friday. Time is 10:52, but we're currently picking up our passes. Basically, you have to kind of go to a will call area beforehand to pick up your passes.
Guest list? Yeah, right?
Guest list?
Yeah, on the guest list.
Period.
Watched my friend Fernanda post on TikTok and she was in LA doing quick workouts and getting her shit together. I'm like, Cheetos. The heat cooked me, bro. I'm cooked. That heat got me tired, sweating. Just need to lay down, you know? It's currently 1:25 on a Friday. We're supposed to be getting ready and having fun, but alcohol is stressing me out. You know when you just have like things looming over your head and you just don't have any energy? Like I have this whole thing planned, like I have this whole weekend planned. Like I just want to enjoy my weekend and have fun. Everyone's just like, "Mom, what do we do?" And then I'm like, I don't fucking know, guys. It's just so fucking hard. Oh my god. Just know that if you're struggling and you fucking sometimes really don't like what you do or you get stressed out, yeah, me too. Like at the end of the day, I'm just a 23-year-old girl and I don't know what's going on. I really don't know what's going on.
Let's get dressed together for day 1 of Coachella. Today, get ready with me for Coachella. We're about to hop on a jet to go to Coachella.
I cry, I swear you like. I'm just really excited to have fun. I can't even do it. Okay, run. Oh my god, run.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Oh my gosh, well, shop alchemy. Shop the alchemy journals. Just kidding, it hasn't even come out yet. May 9th. Sign up if you want to get the journal, but it's okay if not because I understand. Time is currently 4:30. I'm gonna get picked up here at 6. Something like a Greek salad and a coconut water, okay? It's my go-to. Hello. After 4 hours of crying, I'm ready to put my outfit on. So what I was thinking is that I'm gonna layer this with a robe. No, I'm kidding. It is currently Sabrina-chella. Okay. BIEBER-chella's tomorrow. And I'm thinking I wanna go mini skirt, booty out. I have this skirt from Addicted. I'm gonna layer underneath. This is the first top that I'm trying on. I like it. I think the boobs just kind of like look humongous in this. You know what I mean? Like I don't know how much I'm feeling it. Maybe this will be better. Girl, I'm struggling. Let's try these. I like this top, don't like it with this. Okay, this is promising, but I just don't know about the pants with it. These two colors kind of go together. I wasn't planning this, but you know, this isn't terrible. I'm just thinking it definitely needs like some sort of underlayer, kind of like this, just to add a little something in case. Cute. Okay, my trusty old black boots. My driver's here. Okay, this is what the outfit's looking like right now. I like it. Let's accessorize really quick. Looks crazy, but I kind of love it. Very Interesting. Don't mind the messy room, but this is the final fit. Let's put in these gray earrings. Silver, why did I call it gray? I'm gonna wear this bolo tie, okay? I can fix it in the car. These sunglasses, ready to go.
Wait, okay, no, if you guys like the way my mindset is, I don't watch very many YouTubers, but whenever I get ready and I don't know what to watch, I'll put on Nima's video because, for example, I love reading the book Ask and It Is Given, like in my free time, but whenever I'm getting ready, I'm like, oh, like, let me just play Nima reading the book I love so much. And I'm just like, oh, like, I don't want to listen to anything or like, I don't want to like watch any movie, but I kind of want to like hear myself back almost and encourage myself. So I'll watch Nima's videos so that I can just keep telling myself that I'm doing great, basically. Fun fact, so.
I love this is whose sets I always wear.
No, literally.
Wait, look at it. We need to get in the mirror.
No, dead ass. We
kind of went on the same vibe.
Coordinated.
And completely on accident.
No, and I love it. Like, we're kind of giving rough. Hello.
You come in front, you want to?
Oh, yeah. I want to come in the front. How do you know I love driving in the front seat?
Passenger princess.
Passenger princess. Javier?
Yes.
Oh, I have a really good friend named Javier. I like to think that the way you name your kids, you know, they'll turn out to be something like that.
Right.
But so you and Javier must have some similarities. He's very nice, kind, very deep, thoughtful, but keeps to himself. How would you describe yourself?
I don't keep to myself.
Oh.
I'm opposite.
You don't keep to yourself?
I do like my peace, so kind of my quiet, but I'm an extrovert.
Are you from around here?
I'm from the valley. Actually, I live just a couple streets out, so when you said you were here, I was like, dude, I'm down the street.
Oh, extra convenient for you.
Exactly.
Like, how long did it take for you to drive here?
Like fucking 2 minutes.
No way. Ooh, the little trailers. Wow, the lighting is so beautiful. Guys, my contact is so dried out. It's like not even sticking to my eye. All right, this contact's gotta go because what is this? It's just gonna have to be one contact in, one contact out. Oh, we are currently at Golf Cart Central. Look at all these golf carts.
We keep those. We have like everything.
Are you serious?
Everything hospitality related.
Oh, I'm trying to go to this compound. I didn't even know this existed. Thank you. Okay.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Oh, wow. This is the getup. What is this? What are these pictures? What? And we're about to go see Cat's Eye. This is so fabulous. My day is turning around. I see the Ferris wheel. Oh, this is like a game of Where's Waldo. Like all the new things I'm finding. I really want a Disney ride. Oh. Okay, so right now we're gonna meet up with Jesse. I don't even know how to explain it. I texted him, I said, I want to experience it the way you experience it. I feel like we're about to be in for a treat. I just have a feeling. Jesse, say hi to the vlog.
Hi everybody, what's up,
This
world?
is Jesse. Oh my God, it went from being so dry to so hot and sweaty. This is some VIP car service.
On your left, you're gonna see Mickey Mouse.
I literally said before we saw you guys, I was like, I feel like I'm on a Disney ride right now. And now you're commentating it as if you're the
We are
guy.
here at Coachella 2026.
Yes!
We are having the time of our lives.
It's time to see Cat's Eye.
Never say never.
Good morning. Time is currently 4:20.
No, I woke up earlier this morning. I uploaded a YouTube video, but I just went back to sleep. Because babes, today's Justin Bieber day, and like last night I had no energy going out, and I'm like, okay, maybe I need to sleep. Like sleep. And I was just tired anyways, so I'm gonna get ready now. We're gonna shower, we're gonna get ready. I managed to shower. Time is currently 5 o'clock. Okay, we're looking cleaner. I'm gonna quickly beat my face, put on a random ass outfit, because honestly, we're just here for the vibes. I've given up on the outfits, looking cute, looking slay. I'm here for the vibes, okay? Bro, my eyebrows like do not want to cooperate. Like I'm trying to do them and they're looking like shit. Okay, managed to get ready. This thing ripped all the way up here. It was not supposed to do that. You know what? I'm now embracing it. Then we got the boots and the skirt, but let's head out and see Bieber.
2 hours later.
Ooh, time is currently 8:13. We literally just got inside, so it took 2 hours, even though yesterday took 15 minutes. I guess today's a historical day or something. I mean, I know it's like record-breaking for Coachella's numbers, but it's actually crazy how long it took to get inside. But we're with everybody right now. This is what the artist area looks like. She's kind of very packed, extremely packed. Wow, the VIP bathrooms were upgraded. They have mirrors with lights. Wow. Update, we're gonna get food now. So excited to eat this. Wow. It looks so cute. I know, doesn't it look really good? Wait, like this is really cute, Neema. She's wearing the Alchemy, the Year of the Horse collection. Wow. What affirmation do you have, girl?
I am magnetic when I live in my truth.
You are, you know? You are.
It is insane how crowded it is right now.
We're about to witness
What is E3?
History.
No, it's crazy because this will like never happen again. Because he
would
was
never
history
happen.
in the making.
Yeah.
He's been in the making for 20
Yeah.
years, and now he's performing at the biggest festival on the entire freaking earth, headlining with no one else performing. This is probably his biggest crowd. Now that you think about it,
Absolutely.
he's probably nervous too.
Yeah.
You know, like this is crazy for everybody. Insane. And he's older now. He has a whole ass child. He hasn't performed after being a dad yet. We're experiencing a new Justin, and with the biggest Justin super fan. If you hope he sings a song, what do you hope he sings?
Well, I really want to hear Baby, and I need to hear Yukon.
Of course he's singing you.
He's gonna sing it, but I need to hear.
Larry, what are you most excited to hear?
Oh, I'm excited to hear Baby.
What's going on, guys? How you guys doing at home?
Whoa, he said, hey, Chad.
I was thinking maybe you guys could help me with the songs tonight. Maybe help pick your favorites. That's my baby. She's iconic. Nothing needs to work out and nothing needs to break.
Holding your hand, that should be me, making you laugh. Show you off. Tonight I wanna show you off. It's a beauty and a beat who can make my life complete. Come on. Goes back. Hey little mama, oh you're a stunner. Hot little figure, yes you anything. I'm so glad to
Oh, this is so fucking wholesome.
Wi-Fi, man, come on. There we go.
That was so good. Like the way he was like on YouTube is so funny. This is what walking out of Coachella looks like. Time is currently 12:58 a.m. Justin Bieber's set just ended. Let's see how long it takes us to get out. It's currently 1:27. We're not at the festival grounds yet. Time is 1:31. Oh my god, look how dusty the car is. Wow.
Time is currently 3:02. We just got home. Me and DoorDash are like this right now. I'm gonna journal. I'm gonna journal in a second, and by a second I mean yesterday. I just witnessed history in the making. I am so grateful to have been at Coachella. Alchemy Journal is dropping May 9th. I took 3 years to design this. Like, I have so many samples, like so many I could show you. These are all the samples that I've ever written in. Like, you can see this one's slanted. Like, girl, why did this slant? These designs were fugly. These, the gemstones are falling off way too fast. This one doesn't even have an A on the back. This didn't even have an envelope in the back. Now this is the final one. I freaking, girl, if you buy the journal, keep it in the box that it came in. It came in a protective box because these stones are like hand placed on. They're really delicate. It has like this envelope in it now. And by the way, when you get your journal, it comes with crystals in the back, or in case this happens, take them out, because what will happen is it'll be too bulky and then your journal won't close as properly. I genuinely love this journal so much. Hope you support. You can sign up. Took me so freaking long to make, and all the content also so long, but so exciting.
East and the west, racking up on my bread, power on me. I'm feeling just like a Tesla.